Making money online may be a lot easier than you believe. There have never been more people interested in finding out to generate income online than today. The good news is there have actually never ever been more methods to make cash online. If you have a desire to generate income on the internet, you have an unprecedented number of options in how to proceed. Some typical methods to make money online studies it's fast money, however obvious, somewhat limited in regards to effort needed. A much less labor-intensive way to make money is set up your own site and sign up with affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are a system established by merchants that pay you considerable commissions when you send them paying customers through your website. It is a great deal for merchants and affiliates and a fantastic method to substantially cash online extremely rapidly. Do not worry. Establishing a site of your own has actually never been more affordable or simpler. And nowadays you don't even require your own website at all to earn money online. You can benefit from a variety of strategies and methods that can get you started money making on the internet right now. In order to get started on your journey to making money online, you require to instantly be reasonable in your expectations, understanding that money making online is similar to make money in any other business. You generally start out small and gradually build your earnings over time as you get better at it. It is very rare for individuals to start making countless dollars online within a year, although it has been done. One great aspect of generating income online is that the expense of entry is so low. It is possible to begin entirely in the black without having to buy any upfront expenses, such as office space or products. All you really need is a web and a computer connection, and you can do whatever on your own. You don't require to work with employees or depend on anyone else. One of the most important keys to making cash online is to believe that it can be done and that you can do it. Many individuals don't even attempt or simply offer it a week's effort and give up too soon. It is a reality that millions of people are making money online today. Even whole millions more believe that it simply cannot be done. Obviously, there is a disconnection somewhere. It just implies less competition for them. The internet has considerably altered many individual lives over the world. It is the one method to make money that does not depend on education levels, or people connections, or status, or perhaps experience. A year earlier, it would have been tough to envisage the many possible ways to make money online available today. Whether part-time or full-time, individuals from all strolls of life, have discovered financial success and flexibility online. You too can be part of this growing pattern of online businesses if you have the desire and willingness to discover brand new things. There have never even been more individuals interested in discovering to make money online than today. Some typical methods to make cash online these days is to get paid for filling or surfing the web on online surveys. Understand that making money online is just like making money in any other organization. You normally start out little and gradually develop your earnings over time as you get much better at it. It is a truth that millions of people are making money online today, even while millions more believe that it simply cannot be done, as I have said. It is most likely that a lot of individuals who are making money online are pleased to hear that numerous of people think it is not possible. This means less competition for them. Now, my name is Ian Jackson. I have a YouTube channel, and it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Just one more time, YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Now, I deal with videos. I have over 300 videos on my channel, and most everyone is about making money online, or how to make money online, or how to start a home-based business. Use the link and go and have a look if you wish. If not, please click the like button below. It's a thumbs up job, I believe, and subscribe. This helps me with YouTube. And up the top there's also a bell. You click on that bell and press all, and YouTube will inform you when I put another video up. If you don't want to go to my channel, you'll get one each time I put one up. Right, now before you start doing anything, do your research. Research is most important with online, because there's so many people out there that do frauds and scams, and I wouldn't want you to get caught in that, as you're wasting time and money. Now, I use Google and I also use YouTube. Both are good. Google is all words and tell you about companies you're trying to start up with, why they pay their affiliates, if you're an affiliate, what sort of advertising they have for you, and if they do banners, how often they pay, how long they've been running. YouTube, you have to put in how to make money at home, how to start a home business, how to earn from home, those sort of questions. How to, and then whatever you wish. And YouTube comes up with lots of stuff as well. But with YouTube, you see what's happening. You don't have to read it all. It's shown to you. So, all the best in your online business. Hope it goes well for you. If you want help and more, there are links below my videos of programs that I like and have joined and have helped me. They're all below. Also, the tools I use for the internet are all below. All of these, I don't own any of the businesses. I own the tools, but I advertise the businesses' links. So any link you press on is an affiliated link. If you go to that site and you join or you purchase a tool, I then get paid a small commission. This is how we work on the internet. So, research. Hope you don't get caught. If you do your research properly, you shouldn't. So all the very best in your online adventure. This is Ian Jackson saying once more, please press the like button below and subscribe. Bell if you wish to get more information. So thank you for being here, and goodbye.